In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram comment gallery option not showing problem. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and check for a system update. If a new software update is available for your device, install it first and make sure your phone is running the latest version. After that, return to your home screen and press and hold the Instagram app icon. Tap on App Info, then select Force Stop and confirm it. Next, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update and install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and sign out of your account. Then sign back in and check the comment section of posts to see if the gallery option has appeared. Keep in mind that the Instagram comment gallery feature is a newly released feature and is being rolled out gradually to users. If you've updated the app and still don't see the option, you may simply need to wait. In many cases, the feature becomes available within 24 hours as Instagram expands the rollout to more accounts. That's how you can fix the Instagram comment gallery option not showing problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.